Next, range of a quadratic function. Range means the values that can be taken by y. Now, of a quadratic function means power on x is 2, so it's a quadratic equation. And moreover, sign before x is positive, so I will get a graph in this way. Clear? Now, let us do. And I know that this will be the turning point. I need to find this turning point. How? At the turning point f dash x equal to 0. Turning or stationary point both mean the same. So that is 2x minus 10 equal to 0, so x is 5. Right? These two values have come same. X is greater than or equal to 5 means my graph is starting from the turning point itself. Clear? You will see when these two values are not same, then how to do you will come to know. As of now, my graph is in this way. This is the value for 5. I cannot decide the maximum value for y. I can say this will be the minimum value for y. How much is it means place it. When x equal to 5, how much will y be? Place in this 5 square minus 10 into 5. I get minus 25. So my range is, since this is the minimum point, all other values will be greater than this. So y greater than or equal to minus 25 is my answer. Clear? Next. If it is given in this way, directly also you can tell if you had learned completing squares method. But that is little bit confusing, so always I am going with differentiation. To do that, expand it. How much do I get? X square plus 4 minus 4x plus 5, which is x square minus 4x plus 9. Right? Again, sign before x square is positive. So my graph which I get is in this way. Let me find this turning point. To get the turning point, f dash x equal to 0. So that is equal to 2x minus 4 equal to 0 implies x equal to 2. This value and this value is same. What is this saying means my x is starting from 2. So before the graph is not at all existing. Your graph is starting from 2 itself. 2 x values are going on, y value will also be going on increasing. I cannot say anything for y, x and y in that case. One thing for sure I can say is this will be the minimum value for y. Let's find out how much is that. So when x is 2, how much will y be? Place up to you. This one or this one. I get 5. At this point y is 5 means that is the minimum value. All other values are greater than this. So this is my range. Simple, clear, right? Next one. Now if it is 3 minus 2x square, the sign before x square is negative, so I know that my graph I get in this way. That's the first thing. Next, I need to find out this turning point. To get the turning point, f dash x equal to 0. 3 differentiation is 0 here, minus 4x equal to 0, that implies x equal to 0. Difference between this and this is this value of x and this x are not same. So whenever they are not same, what you do? See here. When x is 0, how much will y value I get? Place in this 3 minus 2 into 0 square, I get 3. Alright? Now when x is 2, how much will I get y value? 3 minus 2, 2 into 2 square, 4 into 2, 8, 3 minus 8 is minus 5. Your graph should look like this. That means when it is 2, it said if I draw it like this is the turning point which is 0. When it is 0, x, y is 3. This is just a rough of this is not the exact graph of this diagram. For our understanding, we are drawing a rough one. So when x is 0, y is 3. When x is 2, y is minus 5. So here 2 means y is, or else it goes like this, right? Yeah, now it's fine. When x is 0, y is positive 3. So here it comes. So when it is 2, it's minus 5. Now what does it tell us? X should be less than 2. That means this side. That means this part of the graph that is not at all existing. X is 2 minus 5, x is 1, I get somewhere around here. X is 0, I get here, x is minus 1, minus 2, and it goes on. Now what can be the range of this graph? Look at this graph. I cannot say this will be the minimum point. See here, y is 3 and y is minus 5. Looking at these two, my minimum point will be minus 5, not 3. So my answer will be y greater than or equal to minus 5. Is it wrong, right? If I say this is a minimum point, other minimum points I get on this side. So that is wrong. I can say that 3 is the maximum point. So my answer is y. If I write less than 3, less than or equal to 3 is my answer. Is it clear? Whatever values you take, all of them will come less than or equal to 3 only. Now next example. See how much, again before x square is a positive one, so I get a graph in this way. Turning point will be how much? 2x plus 2 equal to 0 implies x equal to minus 1. Here this one and this one are not same. So when x equal to minus 1, how much will y be? Place in this minus 1 whole square, 1 minus 2, I get minus 1. When x is minus 2, this value, how much will I get? Here plus 4 minus 4, I get 0. How is the graph now? It's taking a turn at minus 1, that's for sure. And when x is minus 2, it is 0. Let us say it's here. Minus 1, if it has come in that. Think, let us draw these 2 points then. Minus 1 will be somewhere around here. Where will minus 2 and 0 be? That will be here. Minus 2 comma 0. So my graph is like this. It's taking a turn here. Clear? Now, greater than or equal to minus 2 means this part of the graph is not at all there. My graph is starting from this point itself. Now, what is the for this graph, what can I say? Which is the minimum point? Is y equal to 0 is the minimum, or y equal to minus 1 is the minimum? Minus 1 is the minimum, right? So y greater than or equal to minus 1 is the range. Am I clear? In this example, all other values of y are smaller than 3. So I have chosen this one. Over here, all other values are greater than minus 1, so I have chosen this one. Clear? Fine. We can even do this by completing the squares, but this method I found it easier to understand.